For 60 years, Autoliv is creating automotive safety systems and is the worldwide leader of automotive safety products. In order to improve our growing markets in airbags, seatbelts and steering wheels, we needed to improve our operational and commercial business processes in one integrated system called ACE. Within ACE, DELMIA Apriso is used to execute the operational processes on the shop floor. We have chosen DELMIA as a proven automotive MES solution to support lean manufacturing principles and Autoliv production system to increase quality of our products and data for our safety products. Since we started rolling out DELMIA in 2015, we have deployed our ACE operational solution to 7 plants in Germany, Poland, Romania and Estonia, to be followed by plants in Romania and South Africa by end of 2019.
Our plant is clearly divided in sections, inbound, production and outbound. DELMIA is supporting every section. For example, on the production area, each production line, each operator is using the software to make production registry and traceability. Thanks to strict monitoring of material movements, we are fully compliant to Autoliv traceability standards. DELMIA allows more visual production planning and productivity control for quicker reaction and better decision making.
Every day I use DELMIA on a TV screen that displays the status of shipments to the customers. It allows me to quickly react in case of problems. On a daily basis, DELMIA gives our logistic employees autonomy and the ability to constantly move independently of the system infrastructure. We achieve it through the use of mobile devices such as scanners, tablets and printers.
To support Autoliv's Factory of the Future initiative and increasing global demands on specific topics like e-component Kanban, which had been developed internally in Europe, we have started to work on the DELMIA modular standalone solution to be connected to other ERPs for global use.